Hey guys, I'm playing Angry Birds Evolution today. Alright, we're getting started. I think I already said today. So, yeah. Angry Birds Evolution. This is the first time I'm showing it to you guys. Of course, it's me saying to you, but not so much to the others who've played it. Right. You need to go. Never mind that. Okay, we're getting into Arena. I think I'm gonna fight. Let's see. This game is mostly about attacking and stuff. So attacking other birds and winning trophies in Arena. Ooh, oh, I think Bray here is gonna win. Is he? Is she? Ooh, I think we're gonna lose. We're already out of health. We're almost out of health. It's literally taking us down. We almost have no more heart. Oh, dang it. Oh, nice. Oh, we're going to camp Pagan, so the Pagan chapter 9, we're in chapter 9. I did most of all the chapters, all 8 chapters, from chapter 1 to chapter 9. Yeah. Let's do go next. Yep. Let's go to level up. Then we did it. Level up. Let's go for tier 2. Yes. Now, wave 1 out of 2. Okay. Ooh, yeah. Got it. Ooh, yeah. Okay. Oh. Oops. Let's do both. Let's do Chucky. Beat him up, beat him up, beat him up, and oh, he got him all already. Wave complete. Last wave. Oh, oh, we knocked out those 2 pigs at the back. Oh, other one respawned. Oh yeah. Oh, now I get something. Those swords you see, that's where I'm supposed to attack. Oh, I get what they're trying to say now. Although I might just go it my way. And that pig is already gone again. Whoa, that was a blast. There's still 3 more. There's 3 more. Oh, there's 3 on all sides except for the one the birds are on. Oh, yeah. Oh, look at that explosion. Oh yeah, we gotta level up this thing. It levels up our birds. We have to evolve them so that they become stronger. They become more musclier. But the muscle isn't there. And then out of here. Anyways, it's almost done. I faced this ad a million times. This is my 1 millionth time. Let's do tier 3. No, no. Oh, we're gonna level up our main team. We're gonna level up red. No, I don't think so. Yeah, let's do Chuck. It's worth it. Oh, just need a little more. Yeah. Now we're going to tier 3. What? I just only knocked out the fences with that guy. What am I doing with that party? Anyways, he can go through them. Ooh. Well. Well. Lost so much. We lost so much health. Oh, we're bringing them down. Oh. Looks like we got a little down. That's okay though. Hey, I can't move my character. I can't slingshot her. Yeah. How can I move the base and look at everything in the view? Yeah, now that's perfect. Oh, what are those spirals around them? Ooh, oh no. I think we need to be stronger. He needs to be stronger. Oh, we got that big guy. He looks like a clown. He's a clown. Alright. Oh, yeah. I think that big guy was a man with a pig under a mask. And we're gone. We lost. You get your ticket back when you lose in a trial. Okay, this is a speed challenge team. I really want a pity bag. I think that's it. Bye.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.